Hey everyone, welcome to Armen's Craft Room. Today I'm going to unbox the Waffle Flowers Want It All grab bag from November 2025 for the early Black Friday. And it came packaged very well. It was actually really hard to get the shipping label off. They secured it well. Alright, let's see what we got. So this contains standalone dies, stencils and dies, and a pack of Surprise Me, which can be like basically anything they sell. Alright, so this first one looks like stencils and dies. This was the one I had my heart set on, and they were sold out when I went to get it because I slept in too late. And the only way to get it was to buy them one at all. So let's check it out here. Alright, we've got the cupcake stencil. Nice. This is going to be like the size of a card front. So this is an A2 panel. Yeah, that's going to be a whole card. Great for birthdays. Alright, fruity background coloring stencil. Wish they had pictures on the back, but it definitely goes with this texture plate. Okay, excellent. Oversized daisy Die-n-Stencil. We've got a single coloring stencil with this one. Oh, this one was on my wish list. This is awesome. This is the folk art framed bird, and we'll color in with this stencil. They also have like hot foil plates and other dies that go with that too. Painted flowers background stencil. This one's pretty thick. It doesn't say how many pieces there are, but it feels like quite a few. And that goes on this cover plate that's going to add texture. This is really lovely. And then we have a line frames Die-n-Stencil. I haven't seen this one, but it looks like it'll make some pretty cool quilting options. Alright, that's not bad. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 different Die-n-Stencils in that bag. These bags, I think they were like 50 each, and then there was a discount if you bought the full pack of everything. This looks like it's going to be standalone dies. Alright, we've got the word family. Miss in this pretty font. Heart. And love you. I love this font. Oh, these are awesome. Inside out scalped. I don't have anything like this, so this is amazing. Ooh, winter floral panel. This was also on my wish list. Man, they're really nailing it with this year. I don't have this one either. The love print. Oh my gosh, these are so useful. And oh, abstract shapes. I have other abstract shapes too. This will go with. One of the nice things about Waffle Flowers is that all of their dies come on magnets if you have a set. It's just right underneath, and they're really good magnets because they put this paper over top, so they're actually like, they're so good. I tried to buy them for storage for other companies, but they don't actually sell them separately. Alright, so this was a great grab bag. This was 1, 2, 3, 4 large dies and 4 small dies. That was a really good deal, and there's some really good ones in there. Love it when I see the wish list items because, you spend like $20, maybe $30 on the wish list items, so it's almost the cost of the whole pack. And here's the Surprise Me one. Alright. Oversized grace and kindness. Matters, take a cup of, give yourself grace and kindness, grace in your spread, kindness, give a little, I will always remember your kindness, thank you for you are filled with, goes a long way, warms my heart, made all the difference, amazing under pressure is appreciated in your act of. This is going to be a pretty good create your own sentiment. Layered flower duo Die-n-Stencil. This looks pretty. It's a single layer stencil. Okay. These are fabulous. Okay, oh my gosh, I think this is has all the dies that go with it. Yeah, sentiment. Yeah, it is. It's a full set. Sentiment editions 2 with the matching dies. Oh my gosh, that's a great value. You are celebrate, happy, enjoy, sending, birthday, and hello. Gorgeous fonts. Ooh, rustic rainbow die. This will be fun. There's actually more in here than you can see. Oh, this is an amazing grab bag. Okay, little cloud. Awesome. I love the wonkiness of it. That's going to be really cute. I also really love rainbows. I have quite a few different rainbow sets from different companies, and they're all like different sizes and styles, and it's really fun. You can use them for so much stuff. We'll just put this back later. Sweet poppy die. All right, I love poppies. They're one of my favorite flowers. Inside pop-up XOXO. Very cool. I have a similar one from Lawn Fawn. Butterfly and daisy stencil. Okay, looks like you can make clusters with this, I suppose. Maple leaf background stencil. I'll have to check this out. I feel like there must be a stamp that puts the veins in this, potentially. Doesn't say anything on the package. Oh, these are cute. Alright, this is the fruity cake. Stamps and matching dies. That'd be nice for, looks like almost for wedding cakes with all the flowers and stuff that are fancy on there. And then we have birth month flower for June, wild rose, and that's got the coordinating dies as well. Wow, this is really, I mean, I'm really impressed with this. This is my first time buying one of their boxes. So there was 3 sets that were stamps with coordinating dies. It was 2 stencils, 2 die sets, a stamp set, and 2 small die sets. That was a lot of stuff, honestly, and a lot of really good stuff. I would definitely say if you like a lot of the stuff in their store and you have set aside the budget for a mystery box, I would say this is an excellent mystery box, and I would totally consider buying another one in the future. Probably not 2 years in a row, just in case some of the stuff repeats, but this was a ton of product. All very excellent. Many of these were on my wish list or things I'd looked at and said, oh, you know, like these are really cute. That's a really good pack. So anyway, I hope everybody has a great Black Friday and enjoy your holidays.